Right. Hi everyone. So class 2. So now in this class what we are going to discuss. So this is very important. We are going to discuss about problem solving techniques. Problem solving techniques. So if there is a problem and if it contains a logic. So every problem which contains a logic, we need to solve the problem in three ways. We can solve the problem in three ways. What are the three ways? What are the three ways? First one, by writing algorithm or by writing flowchart by writing program. So to solve a problem, either we can solve the problem by writing an algorithm or flowchart or program. Program means we have to use different programming languages. Either C programming language or Java programming language or Python programming language, any of the programming language. So now first we have to discuss what is algorithm. What is algorithm? First we have to discuss. Algorithm. What is an algorithm? Algorithm. So algorithm means step by step process. Step by step process. So we need to solve the problem by writing first step, writing second step, writing third step up to the final step. We have to write. So how to write algorithm? So it contains some properties. So by writing an algorithm, we must satisfy these properties. Then only the algorithm is right. So what are the properties? So there are 5 properties. First one is input. Input. For every program, for every problem, we must require 0 or more number of inputs. Either maybe 0 input or 1 input or 2 or any number of inputs are required. Right, that is the first property. Next, second one, output. So for finally, we are writing an algorithm or writing a program or writing a flowchart. Finally, what we will get? We have to get the result. The result is output. So one output or number of outputs also required. So that is output, the second property. Next, third property. Finiteness. What is finiteness? So by writing algorithm, we must satisfy this property is very important. What is this property? After writing number of steps, we need to terminate the algorithm. After writing number of steps, we need to terminate the algorithm. So either 5 steps or 6 steps or 7 steps. After writing any number of steps, but we must terminate the algorithm, that must satisfy the finiteness property. Next, fourth one. Definiteness. Definiteness. So whatever we are writing the algorithm, so that is easy to understand. It does not contains any ambiguity. If it contains an ambiguity, whatever we are writing the algorithm, that is not satisfied the anyone, any person. So to whatever you are writing the algorithm, it must satisfy the that must does not contains any ambiguity. So it must satisfy the user. Next, last property, effectiveness. Effectiveness means what you are writing the algorithm, that must be easy to understand. Every step is effectively must be clear. Must be clear. So these are the 5 properties are satisfied, then the algorithm is clear. Then the algorithm is clear. So this is the first problem solving technique. Now what is the second problem solving technique? Flowchart. So now we have to discuss about flowchart. Now flowchart, second type of problem solving technique. What is flowchart? So diagrammatic representation of an algorithm. For children also, for 5th class, 6th class, 7th class, this flow charts, they can easy to understand the problem, easy to understand the solution of the problem. So flow chart is a second problem solving technique. What is flow chart? Diagrammatic representation. Diagrammatic representation. Diagrammatic representation of an algorithm, we can call that is flowchart. Here some symbols are required. Some symbols are very important. We must know what are the basic symbols to write flowchart. First one, to start algorithm or to stop algorithm, we have to use oval. This is for start and stop. So start and stop. Next one is parallelogram. Parallelogram. This is for input and output. To give input, to get output, we have to use the parallelogram symbol. Right, next one. Decision or condition. So this is used to write the condition. This is rhombus. So rhombus is used for decision or condition. Decision. So if it is true, one output. If it is false, one output. So it must be depends on the condition. If the condition is true, this output is executed. If the condition is false, this output is executed. In further classes, we have to discuss some number of examples. How to write algorithm and how to write flowchart. Now, what is the third technique? Programming language. Program. So this is a third and very important problem solving technique for every engineering students. You must learn how to write the program. How to write the program. Program means set of instructions. We need to give this set of instructions either by using any of the programming language. So in our subject, we are learning C programming languages. We have to write the C programs after learning the basic syntaxes and basic structure of C program. After that class, we have to write C programming language programs. So in the next class, class 3, we are going to learn algorithm and flowchart with a different number of examples. Right? So thank you everyone. So if you are happy with my classes, then please share, subscribe, and whatever you want to learn, please comment in comment box. Thank you.